shoreline has retreated to a jagged line of salt, leaving silver hollows where the thunder used to hold. Broken glass and driftwood weave a map upon the mud, while the thirsty earth begins to drink the copper in the flood. We stood beneath the battering when the mercury was high, watching every anchor thing surrender to the sky. The silence is a heavy stone inside a hollow chest. The pressure of the gale has finally gone to rest. Every fence is flattened and the bells have lost their ring, waiting for the gravity that tomorrow seeks to bring. After the waves have dragged the heavy marble down, and the sirens fade away above this quiet town, there is a bitter clarity in the morning light, a pale remains of everything we lost within the fight. The ledger has been balanced by the motion of the tide, with nothing left to swallow and nowhere left to hide. I found your leather satchel in a pool of stagnant glass, beside the twisted iron where the locomotives pass. The ink has run to shadows on a page of sodden white, erasing all the promises you organized last night. The birds are coming back to deck the wreckage for